Have a fabulous morning to everyone. First, let me introduce myself. I am Pradeep J from Sri Manakula Vinayagar Engineering College, Puducherry. I am pursuing BTech Instrumentation and Control Engineering. I am here today to share about our Indian education system. Okay, let me move on to the introduction. Education is a process of learning or getting of knowledges and skills, values, and habits of essential needs of life. Education system is differ from one and another country. Not all the countries are following a common education system. The important skills of education system is ability, growth, advanced training, knowledge, learning to the competence and training to the experience. History of our Indian education system. Earlier education system is commenced under the supervision of gurus. There is no special classrooms or laboratories are there in older days. The house of gurus are placed to learn and it is called as Veda Nilayam. In older days, the teachers has to choose the student to whom they want to teach the skills. Type of education system to be followed in our Indian education system. The national policy of education system was framed in the year 1986 and it was amended in the year 1992. The scheme name is Rashtriya Madhyamika Abhiyan and it was established in the year 2009. The new education policy is formed in the year 2016 to bring revolutionary changes in our Indian education system. The major advantages about our Indian education system. By comparing with other countries, only in India every student have a basic knowledge about all the subject. Only schools in India follow the regular attendance method so that students will gain basic knowledge about their daily habitation and life needs. Students go through many exams in their learning year. It teaches them to analyze their own strength and weakness consistently. The disadvantages of our Indian education system. In India, up to 85% of students were used to memorize the content in the books and used to write the same words in the exams. Here, only 18 percentage of student only used to understand the concept of the subjects and can able to answer in their own words. The syllabus is mostly in the form of theoretical basis. There is only few subjects contain practical contents. India to do improve our Indian education system, Indian government needs to invest large amount in order to develop infrastructures of schools and colleges. Method of teaching needs more change. Teachers should encourage the students to think logically and to increase creativity in student. Only in India, the national game hockey has no more importance given to that. The biographies of successful persons should be part of the syllabus so that students can mold their personalities. In India, the physical education has no primary importance with comparing to other subjects. There is no proper syllabus and no regular periods are allocated for physical education. Okay, let me move on to the conclusions. Nowadays, lots of positive changes are happening in our Indian education system. Here with the effective learning system, India can successfully utilize its vast human resources, and by that dream of our youngsters hero Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, dream of India 2020 will get success. Thank you everyone. I am hope now you can get a much better knowledge about our Indian education system. Thank you for watching this video, guys.